And for breakfast, what did you have for breakfast today?
I had ham sandwich.
Ham sandwich, good, yes.
She hasn't had anything. She doesn't eat breakfast.
And you make the two? And you make the two with all breakfast?
Oh, no, okay.
Yeah?
I've had Pringles.
Oh, Pringles is good.
I've had Pringles.
Very healthy diet.
Yes. Sometimes it's necessary. You want me to put the chair a little bit up?
No, I'm fine like this.
Yeah, but it's better when you just sit comfortable. So
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
I make
Okay,
the
yeah.
bed up.
Up a bit, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
And then you can also see what I do.
Yeah.
I know, I also like to see sometimes when I get the
Yeah, I like to see what's happening.
They have really good also baguette at Tasty Corner. I got a baguette with meat, very nice. Tuna baguette. Okay, when we make that too, very important, don't move. When it's too much pain, say me stop, please. It's okay?
Yeah.
It's going very good. You feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
You been to the Bubble Beach in Kefalos?
No, we haven't. We'll probably go there next time, won't we?
Where, sorry?
The Bubble Beach.
No, we heard about it.
We went to the Zee on Wednesday night to watch the sunset.
Oh, that was very nice. Yes.
We had a meal there, that was nice.
It was many people, no?
Yeah, it was busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's so beautiful there. It's a lot of people.
Really beautiful.
It was nice. I was surprised when they turned off like your main road sort of thing and went up, heading up towards the hill, to the mountain. And when it stopped, a proper big village, isn't it, up there?
Okay. I think 80% of the people who come to Kos, they go to Zia to see,
Yeah.
because it's so nice. That's why it's so busy.
It was nice. And when we head back here, we see the moon as well, though, didn't we?
Oh yeah, the moon
The
looked
moon, the
beautiful
moon was
tonight.
right, though.
Oh yes. Okay, just a moment, it's finished. Congratulations on the tattoo.